हमने घर छोड़ा है, रस्मों को तोड़ा है.
I don't know, yeah. Like when he left and I came back home and I just felt quite lost because so used to having the two of you all around, it just felt really, really weird.
You know, these two women have got a major problem. They're having a lot of fun together. I'm feeling very useless. This is what they do in the day. You won't believe what they do after dark.
Spending so much of time with you all, I've really picked up a lot from both of you.
Good. I needed it.
Purab I really look up to, generally, because Guru Purab ji.
Oh God, Purab just passed gas.
Flexibility, flexibility.
I was talking about the whole idea of being aware about things and noticing this and noticing that. I got that from you actually. You notice everything.
You know, I'm in love with the sun. Sunrises energize you and sunsets like de-energize at the same time, make you feel really relaxed and calm.
You know, your appreciation for nature, appreciation for beauty.
On my right is a brilliant masterpiece, probably millions of years old, done by one of the greatest artists mankind has ever known, God himself.
I'm a very nice person, that's nice.
I've
I've not heard anybody say a bad word about you.
learned some manners, not to take advantage of women, but these don't deserve any. Sarah is full on entertainment.
I think that on camera.
Show me your scary face. Sarah Jane, how does it feel to be a goldfish?
Show them all what you've learned from me, Sarah.
This guy has a TV and a VCD player, and I have found the latest recipe to make the coolest movies ever. Cool movies.
Sarah, you're also damn observant, huh?
I've come to a conclusion that the sheer overpowering size and the beauty of this country just humbles you. Look at these clouds. And over there in the distance, they're like snow-capped, cloud-capped mountains.
There was a big difference between the two of us. Sarah would be more sitting down, very ladylike and, all doing. And this one was jungly. I've been musically inclined since you came into my life. Meri maa.
One fine day, I'll fly away. Don't you know that this wasn't built in a day? Yeah,
She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories. When every breath was fresh as the bright blue sky. Call me, call me, call me, call me, call me.
You really have a lot of magic, Anushka, and you should treasure that forever. You should never lose that.
I'm taking Daisy here for a walk. Actually, she's taking me for a walk. Okay.
Purab, I'm quite impressed with you now.
Why?
Because I'm driving and I know that Shisha, our cameraman, is taking shots from outside. It's quite difficult to keep a conversation, to concentrate on the road and to concentrate on what Shisha is doing because you have to drive.
Thank you. I'll accept my award later, but I'm busy.
At a certain speed and where he wants us to be.
They were so much part of the show, they were more than we were actually.
The whole show was behind the
Behind
scenes.
the scenes.
Behind the scenes. Look at them all. The minute the camera comes, they all sit.
I feel like Jahangir.
Too much hair coming out of my nostrils.
After many near-death experiences today, Anushka's finally left the front seat, the driver's seat. She's gone and sat at the back. I sit not 3 people in the car, there's 4 people.
Our producers would sit in the corner.
Okay.
Say hello, Sam.
Hello, Sam.
Behind the passenger seat and sitting on the floor, they can't see anything. And we're talking about the beautiful scenery.
We're like, oh my God, look at that, look at this.
And we would have these moments of sheer abandonment where the producer would just say, "That's it!
I've had enough. I have to look at this now.
This looks like a movie, dude." Oh God, this is beautiful, man.
This is awesome, man.
It's like driving through a set. It's like a set.
This is not fair.
It's not only the first time that it's rained on Beyond the Run, it's the first time that we've had hail on Beyond the Run.
And of course, we have all funny stories.
Like you picked up bird watching from our cameraman.
Well, yeah. That's a pelican. Looks like a cartoon character. Okay, some more birds to our collection. There's a bunch of vultures sitting over there. If I see the adjutant stock, I'll go so satisfied back to Bombay, and I can't tell you. Finally, yes. Now you can look. That's it.
Jubal is a walking, talking encyclopedia.
She not use walk. Down all the time, leg pain.
And Bhalla, our other cameraman. Bhalla is this. मैं तेरी टांगे तोड़ दूंगा.
Bhalla, smile.
क्या smile है?
Vinod, I think Vinod was the cameraman who drove the most.
Class walk, sir.
There's the rascal cameraman,
Shisha.
She's like a little monkey.
1, 2, 3, and you play.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, this is what it all boils down to. In this case, freeze. Shisha, I'm going to hit you now.
Hey, it's freezing. My hand is shaking.
Bhalla and Shisha,
Perfect combination.
perfect combination. They will climb on anything. They will shoot while they're hanging out of cars.
What a ride it's been, huh? 3 months.
It's
Crazy.
been like a ride of a lifetime.
So good, so good. I got you.
पहले तो जुल्मी ने पकड़ी कला